Equitable Bank's headquarters is located in Toronto, Canada. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about financial literacy, which is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. Why is financial literacy so important? Think of it as a financial GPS. Just as a GPS helps you navigate to a destination, financial literacy helps you navigate your financial life and reach your money goals. Without it, you're just wandering, making decisions without a clear path. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions and take control of your money, not the other way around. It's about being able to create a budget that works for you, save for big purchases like a car or a home, and build a secure future through smart investing. It teaches you how to manage debt responsibly, avoid common financial pitfalls, and protect yourself from fraud. You don't need to be a finance expert to be financially literate. It's about starting with the basics. Understand your income and expenses. Learn the difference between a need and a want. Start saving, even if it's a small amount. The more you know, the more confident you'll become in handling your finances. It's a journey, not a sprint. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.